Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I have a Cisco. This is a 3548XL switch, and I need to install a LAN Enterprise license. There is a different license. I have three different units with different license. So let me show you the operating system which is running right now. Show version. So that's the operating system right there. That's the version of the operating system, right? Um, this is the Nexus model number, and let me show you the host ID. Show license, host ID. This number is very important to generate the license. So I already have the license. I don't need to generate that. Just Cisco already provide them. So I just need to install the license. I have another video in which I show you how to generate the license and download the license from the Cisco website. But in this case, I already have the license. So let me show you. Show license usage to just to see what kind of license are on the units. So there is no license. So let me we are copy the operating system from my TFTP server. So let's assign some IP parameters to the management interface. Interface mgmt 0 IP address 192.168.0.180 255.255.255.0 notch down, and then exit from here. IP TFTP source interface mgmt 0. Exit from here. Let's check connectivity. Ping 192.168.0.102, and I believe you need to define the BRF management. That's it. Yeah, it's responding. So Control C. My TFTP a different IP address. Actually, it's this one, 134. So in this case, we are using a TFTP server to transfer, the license file to boot flash. So let's do that. Copy TFTP to boot flash. The file name is this one, in the BRF is the management. The IP address 192.168.0.134. Enter, and that's it. So now let's install the license. Install license boot flash, and the file license main. Enter. I believe this is LAN Enterprise license, but let's double check. Show license usage. Oh no, it's the 24 port upgrade pack. That was the license. I believe there is another license for this unit, but let me double check. For now, let's do the other switch that I have. So in this case, we are using the USB in case you don't have a TFTP server on your network. So let me show you how to execute that. Copy. Copy TFTP. No. USB 2 to boot flash. Install license boot flash, file name, show license usage. That was the Algo Boots license, this one right here. So the LAN-based license is this one right here, and that one is the LAN enterprise license. So let's copy the other one, which is the USB one. This one. Copy USB one to boot flash. File name, paste, enter. So install license boot flash. File name, let's check show license usage, and there we go. This is the LAN enterprise license. So we install two different licenses, LAN enterprise license and the Algo boot license in there. This one was already installed, and that is basically how did you install the license on the Cisco Nexus N3K. This is a 3548 XL switch. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Thank you.